Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video I will walk you through exactly how to use Zoho Forms step by step even if you are a complete beginner. Zoho Form is a powerful online form builder that helps you create forms for your website, business or organization with no coding required. By the end of this tutorial, you will know how to create your first form, customize it and share it to start collecting response. So without any further ado, let's get it started. So first of all, you just need to understand what actually Zoho Forms is. It is an online tool that lets you build forms for contact forms, registration form, feedback or survey forms, and also order forms and more. You can collect response, automate workflows and integrate with other Zoho apps or popular third-party tools. So in this step we are going to create an Zoho Forms account. So here you can see this is the interface you will get, and onto the Zoho Forms you will get this kind of a feature for web form builder, then notifications, share forms, data analytics, customizations, automations, then payment, security and even signature. Similarly, you will get these features like mobile on, work offline, capture image, scenes, scan codes and many more. You can see they have pre-built template for our uses, so we don't need to do any code over here. We can start with this one. Then if you see the pricing, actually here even you will find out it's completely free. You are allowed to use on user. You can create 3 forms, unlimited form views, 500 submissions per month. Then if you want to shift to the premium one, you can go with the basic. Here it will only charge $10 per month, billed annually. So you just need to understand. Then here you can see we have integrations like this, then we have resource. So we are going to create an account. So to get started, you just need to go to visit on zoho.com and /forms. It is mandatory. Then just click to the sign up. I already have an account, but when you are new in here, you will get this kind of an interface like this. As you can see it here, you just need to provide your company name, then email address, then password. Let's provide the password email mahin658@gmail.com. Then similarly you just need to provide your password. I'm going to give a password here. Then you just need to check this out and click to the sign up for free. Once you're done, then it will redirect you to here, and you can sign up using your email on your Google account also. Zoho offers a free plan which is perfect for getting started. I already mentioned. So now once you land in here, you just need to click on access Zoho Forms and you will redirect to the dashboard. As you can see it, we already created an form over here before we did a couple of work. So I am going to delete this one. Just select this one, move to folder, or here we are looking for the delete. So let's leave it this way. Here we have these button options. As you can see it, edit, then we have these other options. So now we are going to building our first form. So how we can do it? Once you sign up, you will land in your Zoho Form dashboard. To create your first form, you just need to click on to the create form or new form. Just click over here, new form. Let's refresh this one. There is a couple of things I found problem. You just need to click over here to the new form. Let's see what the problem is happening here. The mouse over is not working. I think there is a couple of problem we had, so we just need to fix it. So I solved the problem. The problem is this Apollo code, so I am going to uninstall this. Sorry to let you know. Start, click to the start, and it already been uninstalled, and now I think I can easily access these things. Yeah, as you can see it, just click over here and here you will get the option for delete this one. Just going to delete this one, and now I am going to create a new form. Just click over here, new form, and here you have 2 options. Choose to start from scratch, or you can use a pre-template over here. So here you can see what kind of a form title type you want. It could be standard, like show multiple fields on a page, and if you select the card, it is I can say it is perfect for mobile users. So on field on a page. So I will go with this one, from type standard. Then here you just need to provide your title. For this tutorial, I will give a title that will be that contact. then click to the create. Once I click over here create, now it will take a time to loading. Then here they are telling us to start building, so you can start your building. We can add fields like name, email, phone. So I am going to add this. Was simply, it is a drag and drop builder, so it is so much easy to create an options. Here you can see we have this column options. If you paste it here, now you can easily paste any thing here. So I'm going to paste it our mail here, email address. Then I will provide the phone number over that place. I will just drag it drop here and it will be pasted perfectly. So now let's remove these properties right now. Now I'm going to add an option that call multiple line messaging. So I'm going to paste it here, and here eventually you can see it already been pasted. So you can add these choices also if you think it is necessary for your files, but right now I think it is enough for me, so I will leave this way. Then I'm going to add the button over here. So how I can upload the button? Let's search for the button. There is no button. Okay, so I will click to this one, like simply drag and file, and you want to drop it them from. You can also click on any field to edit level and make it require a set validation. Just click over here, and here you will find out the properties. Here you can make it small if you feel it is so much big, you can do it this one. Then here you can see title, first name, last name. These are not visible, so let's visible it. So and it is not, it's okay. Then you can input any character, letters only. You can placeholder text, configure placeholder, you can add it. I don't think it is necessary for here. Then visibility will be visible. Then here you can mark as personal or whatever. Just click to the save. Once you've done, it will be saved perfectly. Now I want to add this one here. So you can changes or do things here one by one. Once you feel that your work is done, it okay. Then you just need to be customize your designs to make sure. Let's click to the save, and it been done. So to make your form look better, you just need to click to the theme options. Here you can see we have this theme option in the top toolbar. Just click over here theme. Then here you can choose the change colors, update themes. Like I already choose start from scratch. That is the problem. If you want to go with this plan, you can go with like this is by default. Just preview this one, and it is mobile friendly also, as you can see it. That is one of the great one. Here you can apply all these theme one by one and find out which one is looks good. I think this theme looks amazing, so I'm going to select and then click to the customize theme. And now eventually you can see how it looks. It looks really great right now. So you can add this button style also. It is easy to make your form match your website or brand style. So you just need to be setting up notification and integration when you feel that your theme is perfect for you. Under the setting tab, you can like click to the apply, and that's great. It already been done. And I will come back to this setting options. Here integrations, this is the setting options. Enable email notification if it is disabled for yourself or your respondent. Here you can see there is a couple of things. Email notification, you just need to be enable those. Then set confirmation message after the submission and redirect user to different page after they submit the form. You can also integrate Zoho Forms with Zoho CRM, Sheet, Google Sheet, others app by Zapier. Then we are going to sharing our form. How we can do it? You just need to be, when your form is ready, click on to the share button. Here let's go to this one. This is the builder panel. So here you just need to click over here into the share, and you can share the form in different ways. Copy the direct link. You can copy this link. Let's shorten this one, or you just copy this one, and let's see our form is working or not. And actually it is working perfectly. So next is you can embed it in your website also. Here you can see it. Then you can generate a QR code also, then share by email or social media. Anyone with the link, you can fill out your form and response are saved in your Zoho Form dashboard. So now we are going to talk about viewing and messaging response. To view response, go to all form sections on the dashboard. Here you just need to come over here to this forms, and then here you will find out these reports. where you can easily see your all report and entries. Here you can view response in real time. Then you are allowed to export data as CSV, Excel or PDF. Then you are allowed to analyze submission with built-in reports. Here are a few tips I'm going to give you before end the video. Always test your form before sharing. Use required fields to collect necessary information. Explore Zoho Forms mobile app for managing forms on the go. And always upgrade to the paid plans if you need advanced features like workflow or approvals. And that's it. You have now learned how to use Zoho Forms step by step. If you found this video helpful, please like the video, subscribe for more and tutorials, and comment below if you want me to cover advanced Zoho Forms features. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.